Well, we are heading to Coco Marina and everything. Nice places, but we need to come down over here and they're gonna wet their feet. Come on, ladies. Oy, Hana! Oy, alisin mo yung kwan mo It's useless. And then ibalik din.
Oh, okay. Sige.
At least you experience the water here in Hawaii. Apo nagpintas i-giant.
Itapang ako sa atin. Alam mo yung driver namin? Paano nasasaktan niya?
They're used to. And then you can put it back. So there's a use for you to kahit ito lang unless you go to the beach doon sa hotel niyo. But see, ang ganda pa to. There you go. Kasta Alam mo marami pang seaweeds dito, na kinakain natin. But they don't know. I don't know. I know, I didn't know that, but just quick. Paa mo na, mabasa ta ako mo. Move some more.
Hindi masakit dito ang makatal.
Yeah.
Dito makapal.
Oy, sana, kayong mga magbabarkada, sina Bingo, kayo. Hindi. You come all together. Grupo.
Grupo nga, pero parang hindi na nila kayang
Ayan.
mag-travel
Apay. Allah.
Wala na si Bingo.
Allah, apo.
Sige, sumaw-saw ka na doon. Yan.
Nene, ingato mo yung yung kwan mo Yung pantalon. Yes, Oh, tingnan yung mga magmahalitis. See, it's a different experience, right? Anong resibo yan?
Diba?
Ana?
Malat?
I haven't tried. Siguro
Ayan na, nakuha ko na.
ano ba yan?
Yung resibo sa
Ng ice cream? Häagen-Dazs. Yan ba?
Yahagen na.
Yeah, you better keep it. Ilagay mo dyan. Apa, ibalag mo.
Ha?
Oh, tignan mo ito. This is Hawaii ko na. Ipainit mo.
Mainit ako na ito.
Oh, may pampunas. Kaya.
Maya pa?
Hawaii. They're enjoying.
Hawaii!
And they will come back again with the whole group.
Hawaii!
Mga magkakaibigan. They will come over and enjoy Hawaii life, of course. Yeah.
Sabi ko mga kakalari ka, yung swimming pool, hindi ko natikman.
Oh, really?
Hawaii Beach!
We're going to the eastward. East ba yun? Yeah, I think so.
Honolulu, Hawaii.
Just go around because the Hanoma Bay has been closed. It will be closed at 4. I don't know what time is it now. I did. Mabuhay ko na pa yan. Like, samo ko na. Liki. That's liki, one of these trees. It's a Hawaiian term that is spelled like. But there is liki in Hawaii. That's how you see they're enjoying. Sana is still, almost now 2 weeks. That's good enough for a visiting place. So you could see different places, maybe all of the islands. And then, yeah. 2 weeks or 3 weeks. You go visit all the different islands of Hawaii. But for sure, they're gonna stay here in Honolulu area. And that's Maryland. I did. Oh, pagkas jay kay kano yung po. Ay, sorry. Oh, yung kay Jirax.